Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is my July Allure Beauty box. I will pop all the details right here and we're gonna dive in. Before we dive in, first of all, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having a fantastic summer. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I have received Allure Beauty box off and on for many years. They're actually one of the very first subscription boxes that I tried a long time ago. And I kind of took a break just because I was inundated with product. We can only use so much skincare and stuff like that. We only have one face, y'all. I do find that they are a little bit more skincare focused, a little bit more skincare heavy, which I'm 100% fine with. And they also incorporate a little bit of makeup, but they incorporate a lot of like tried and true, the best of the best products that are chosen by their editors and stuff like that. And we also get some of the latest, greatest, newest products. Elephant in the room, I did redo my hair. I just felt like it was time for a change, and I've been on a blue kick lately, so I decided to go blue. The eyeshadow of the day, it's actually the entire collection, is from NOMAD Cosmetics. It is their Greek Odyssey collection. And I just wanted to match my makeup with my hair as I usually do when I do my hair all over again. So all that being said, let me shut my mouth and let's get into the box. It is packaged well, and we do get a little pamphlet each and every single month that I personally find beneficial. It tells us why they chose the products that they did, how to use the products, how much they cost, and we generally get a discount code as well. So we'll go down the deets at the very end. All right, first up, I do remember choosing this, and one product per month, generally speaking, you'll get to go in and kind of choose like your shade selection or whatever the case may be. This is the Makeup by Mario, the Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum Liquid Bronzer. I opted for the shade medium, so hopefully that works out for me. I would demo it, but I already have a full face of makeup. I do also have a full face up of Makeup by Mario, if you wanted to check that video out. I do just want to kind of see what these look like, see the packaging and stuff. It is plastic. I do see a beautiful kind of level of radiance in here. And I personally do like products like this. I know maybe they're not for everybody, but I'm intrigued by this. Next up, we have the Earth Harbor Cult Classic, of course, the Obscura, the Night Repair Concentrate with black seaweed and bakuchiol. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And they, I think, are a staple in a lot of our subscription boxes. And I'm going to say this is probably worth the entirety of our box. It is in a beautiful glass bottle with the little pipette dropper. All right, next up is the Gloat Makeup Sponge, non-latex foam, cruelty-free, latex-free. I don't always use sponges. I basically do my base, I spray setting spray, I take a dry sponge and kind of press into my skin, but I don't actually use one for like makeup application. I know a lot of people do though, so I think this would appeal to a lot of people. Next up is the Biotech Blowout Leave-In Restorative Hair Mask. Did they know I just did my hair? And I guess the brand is Goddess. It says powered by our proprietary Goddess molecules. That sounds amazing too. Okay, that is what the packaging looks like. If you've tried anything, let us know. Comment down below and let us know what are some of your favorite subscription boxes and what are some of your favorite skincare brands. And then last up in here, I'm seeing just a couple of little like sampler type packages. We have the Looped Just For You, the TIY Pre-Tied Hair Ties. Oh, you are about to experience the best hair tie of your life. 2 hair ties in here. Okay, that's kind of cool. I've never even heard of these. And it says 2 loops for finer hair, 4 loops thick hair. You are about to experience the best hair tie of your life. We shall see. If you've tried these, let me know, and I'll definitely update you guys. And then last up in my Allure Beauty box for the month of July is the Hero The Mighty Patch Original with 6 patches. And then, of course, we will talk some deets. Sweaty season. It is pretty damn hot, y'all. It's been in the hundreds here. Yay! As a former Florida girl, I live for the summer. Not me, honey. I prefer cold. Anybody else? I'm my best self in the hot, humid climate. No, really. I don't mind muggy, sticky feeling. It will always beat the snow. I disagree, y'all. I disagree. I can finally wear tank tops. Summer Fridays are a thing. City beaches are open again. There's so much to look forward to, which is why I try to fit in as many activities and outings as possible. This means I'm usually on the go, and so is my routine. The products in the July Allure beauty box make it easy for me to always look put together, even while traveling. The customizable hair ties pull my strands back and out of my face. Pimple patches fight breakouts anywhere, anytime. The multitasking makeup sponge lets me flawlessly apply any base product and more. Needless to say, I'm ready to go. And I do like that. I speak to this a lot in terms of mystery boxes, subscription boxes, things like that. I want products that are pertinent to the season or the month that I'm receiving the products in. So I do feel like this is very, summer focused and stuff. So I like the curation this month. First up is our Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping. About that, hubby called. Anyways, first up, we had our Makeup by Mario, the Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum in light, medium, or dark. And of course, we could have made our own choice. Why? You'll love it. It's a bronzer, it's a serum, it's both. Leave it to celebrity makeup artist Mario Dedivonic to create a product so innovative we don't even know how to describe it, but we'll certainly try. Made with a hydrating combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and a touch of mica for some shine. This lightweight liquid is a jack of all base makeup trades. How you'll use it. The buildable multitasking formula can be worn as a bronzer, used for contouring, or sheared out for an all-over glow. Plus, it can be dispensed 2 different ways, with the pump top or the wide doe foot applicator, and applied in 3 ways, with a brush, a sponge, or your fingers. So many ways to play. This is a full size for $36. There's not a discount code for this product. Next up was our Earth Harbor Obscura Night Repair Concentrate. Why you'll love it. If the madness that is 2026 has been wreaking havoc on your skin, well, same, but there's a fix for that. No matter your concern, dryness, dullness, or a dreary disposition, a few drops of this earthy, scented elixir made with nourishing black cumin, brightening linoleic acid, and fine line fighting bakuchiol applied at bedtime should do the trick. How you'll use it. Post cleanse, you'll use the dropper to dribble the dry oil into the palm of your hand, then gently pat it into the skin, starting at your forehead and moving down to your neck. Once dry, slather on moisturizer to lock it all in. Use nightly for the best and glowiest results. Retail price is $38 for 30 ml. Where to buy it? earthharbor.com. There is a discount code. Receive 20% off of your purchase site-wide with code Allure20, valid through October 1st. Next up is our Goddess Maintenance Biotech Blowout Hair Mask. Why you'll love it. You don't need a blowout to reap the benefits of this leave-in treatment, but it doesn't hurt. Actually, it's encouraged. How you'll use it. After shampooing and conditioning, rake in a dime-sized dollop of this lightweight cream from mid-lengths to ends while the hair is still slightly damp. Then grab your blow dryer to dry and smooth strands, or skip the heat altogether and air dry without damage. Retail price is $40 for 50 mils. This is a full-size item. Where to buy it? goddessmaintenance.com. There is a promo code. Receive 30% off of your purchase site-wide with code Allure20, valid through September 1st. Next up is our Gloat Makeup Sponge in black. Why you'll love it. Temperatures are rising and humidity is thickening, or humidity. But preventing the dreaded summer makeup melt-off just got easier with this teardrop-shaped tool. The multitasking applicator not only creates a sheer, diffused finish on the skin, it absorbs excess moisture and oil in the process. How you'll use it. How you'll use it. Dampen the sponge and squeeze out any excess water. Then dip the mini tool into your product of choice. Concealer, bronzer, blush, and lightly dab it onto the skin, blend, and diffuse. Don't forget to wash the sponge with soap after every use. This is $12. Where to buy it? gloatco.com. Receive 20% off your purchase with code Allure20, valid through October 1st. All right, next up, we have our TIY pre-tied hair ties. Why you'll love it. It's like bracelet stacking for your hair, but this multi-ring rope is actually meant to be used as a single elastic to hold updos in place no matter your hair type. How you'll use it. This super stretchy accessory, which comes pre-tied, is customizable, so you'll decide how many times it needs to wrap around your ponytail for all-day hold. Fine hair, for example, likely needs 1 loop, while a thicker texture may need 2 or 4. The choice is yours. We get $17 for a 2-pack. Where to buy it? TIYproducts.com. Receive 20% off your purchase with code TIYABB, valid through August 31st. This does say offer valid only when purchasing a minimum of 2 items. Last up, to round out our July Allure Beauty box, is the Hero Mighty Patch Original. Why you'll love it. Cystic breakout bringing you down? Don't let it. Instead, cover it, then kill it, with one of these nearly invisible stickers made of hydrocolloid. The mini bandage will suck the life out of your zit, not your mood. How you'll use it: after washing your face and your hands, gently place the patch onto your trouble spot and then go do literally anything for at least 6 hours. By then, your pimples' pus should have been absorbed directly into the patch. Gross? Yes, but also kind of cool. Where to buy it? HeroCosmetics.us. Let's see, promo code, receive 25% off your purchase with the code HEROXALLURE. This is valid through November 30th. And we got $13 for 36 patches. We ended up getting 6 patches in our box. Again, I think it's a wonderful value. I like the curation here. And again, I like that it is summer geared. That grinds my gears, you guys, when we get something that's supposed to be fall and there's nothing in there that's fall, or summer that's not summer-esque. I like the box overall. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can share my videos out. You can hype my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.